Vishnu Tech channel, and I am Mokshit. And in this video, we are going to install Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab in Android, and you can also do this same process in your iOS or iPad device or PC or Mac. So let's get started. And first of all, to do this or install them, you need an app called Pyroid. And it is an app which gives us all the features of Python. And I'll give the link of it in description where I explain how to use this app. So let's get started. And the requirements are sufficient space and Python installed on your device. And you can do the same in your PC. So now I am in the app called Pyroid, so let's get started for installing Jupyter Notebook. First, you need to go to terminal, and over there you need to press for pip install Jupyter Notebook and press enter. If you can see here, it is giving me requirement already satisfied. This is because I had already installed Jupyter Notebook. And if it is giving any error to you for installing Jupyter Notebook, then you need to go to the column called pip and then go to quick install, and you can install from here Jupyter. So we have successfully installed Jupyter Notebook. So let's run it. And for running it, you need to go to terminal again and press for Jupyter Notebook and press enter. This is giving few statements. Those are not danger. You can use it. And here it is giving us localhost. Means it is only running for us. It will run for us. And if you can see here, it is giving us alarms, Android, and all these are my files. And you can find your Android files on your internal storage. The file you created now will be going to your internal storage. So now let's create a new Python file by clicking here. Again, it is opening a new tab, and for this I will recommend the browser like Chrome and Firefox. See here, it had gave us the cell as same as done in the PC. So here, let's print the statement called hello viewer. Now we need to close and press run. If you can see here, it is giving this statement. So we can say that it is running. And one more thing I want to say that if you are new to Python and looking for a good startup, then I am having a Python playlist, and I'll give the link in the description so you can use that playlist and master the Python. See, this is how I had used print statement and Python in Jupyter Notebook, and that too in my Android. So next we will be using Jupyter Lab. So now let's install Jupyter Lab on Android. And for doing that, again you need to go to Pyroid to terminal. And there is only one way to install on your Android, and that is also using terminal. you should use pip install Jupyter Lab. Press enter. As before, it is giving me requirement already satisfied. So now let's run Jupyter Lab by pressing Jupyter Lab and press enter. And as before, it is giving us the statement and it is opening us the lab, localhost lab. See now, here you can see notebook, console and other like terminal, text file, show, contextual, help like that. And here notebook is nothing but the Jupyter notebook. And for now let's continue with console. And here console is nothing but it is a Python shell. And now print hello world. And now press run. And here if you can see you can get run selected cell. And press over there. Here you can see the statement hello world. And in this way we have installed Jupyter Lab and run the Python in it. So now let's use this Jupyter notebook also. See, it is the same console and here also you can use Python. And here I am going to give only hello and now press run. See, it has given us hello. So we have successfully installed the Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook and wrote our hello world programs in it. So now we have done all this process. So I want to tell you one thing, that all these files we have created in Jupyter Notebook will be stored in the format of .ipynb. And another thing I want to say that if you have any doubts or any recommendations for videos, keep in the comment section, otherwise email me to techwithmokshit@gmail.com. And one more thing, if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you.